I'm Cheryl and welcome to the Sewing Room channel. Here are the videos that are going to be up on the Sewing Room channel next week. On Monday, I'll show you how to make this really easy 5-minute basket liner that you can put anything on top of it. Isn't that cool? On Tuesday, I'll show you how to make this round pot holder. You can hang it, it's got a little loop, and it's got an opening where you can stick your fingers in it, and I'll even show you how to make it into this cute little gift. On Wednesday are those real informative tips of the week, and that one is all about interfacing. And on Friday, I'll show you how to make this beautiful pointed table runner. You can make it any length you want, and it's not really hard to do. Make sure you subscribe and click on your notification bell so you know when the videos are up on YouTube. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next week, and happy sewing! I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please click on the thumbs up button. Don't forget to click on share to share this video with your friends. If you haven't subscribed yet, click on that red subscribe button down there in the lower right-hand corner of your screen. Don't forget to click on the bell. I'm Cheryl, and this is a lot of mayonnaise. See you next time, and happy sewing!